High-quality polyamide cover outside and red Cooper tube inside allow the connectors to bear high temperature and also has a good ability to conduct electricity. Waterproof nylon hot melt adhesive with waterproof gel provides excellent waterproof performance, can be a good connector used in marine and automotive applications. Universal Type 3 size options can be used to connect. The wires range from 22 AWG 10 AWG, 90 PCs Red for 22 AWG-16 AWG wires, 90 PCs Blue for 16 AWG-14 AWG wires, 20 PCs Yellow for 12 AWG 10 AWG wires. Wire contact red copper barrel design increased current flow, and ensures voltage drop, preventing wiring failures and reducing equipment quit working. Easy identification color tube with wire gauge imprint makes it easy to identify the right size of the connector for every application. Fit type. Universal fit. Each lighter has a bottom stamp signifying the year it was made, is refillable, and is backed by Zippo. All windproof lighters are American, made in our Bradford, PA factory and come packaged in a gift box. Each light has a bottom stamp signifying the year it was made, is refillable, and is backed by Zippo. All windproof lighters are American, made in our Bradford, PA factory and come packaged in a gift box. Top reviews from the United States. Quickly shipped, nice product. The fuse holder arrived a day earlier than expected, which was nice. It appears to be a well-made piece, better than it appears in the provided photo. The enclosure is very solid and the lid closes neatly and securely. It's not waterproof, but is water-resistant, and should do a good job of keeping water and grit out of the enclosure. I will be using this on my adventure motorcycle, so I will go the extra step and apply silicone to the openings to further insulate it from the elements. It comes with the wire as a loop, which is nice because it allows you to have each end whatever length you'd like. I have yet to cut the wire, so I am hoping it's actually 10 Aruban florins inside and not just thick insulation. For the price, I don't think it could be beat. Easily less than half the cost of what you could find at the big chain automotive parts stores. For now I am giving it 5 stars. When I get around to installing it, if it doesn't live up to my initial impression, I will come back and edit my review. However, I don't think that will be happening.